Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, when the narcissist panics. And you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. This ain't no ordinary crash out type shit. Nah, this is escalation to epic proportions. This is the narcissist trying to protect their public image. It's raging worse than they used to in the past. It's chaotic and dangerous ass behavior that compromises your fucking safety. See, we like to think that we know what they would or they wouldn't do, right? Until you get to the end, until you decide to save yourself, until you decide you've had enough of this roller coaster of emotions every single day and you expose all of the shit that you've been through. And this shit right here, this is where you realize they never loved you, never cared about anything you held sacred. They never were going to be this version you remember from the beginning. This was an intentional and diabolical act of simply fucking up your life, manipulating your emotions and making you think you were going to be nothing without them. And when they start panicking because they're afraid you'll say something, when you find out about the other supplies they've been hiding behind, when you stop begging for bare minimum from someone who couldn't fucking give it anyway, all their insecurities come out. And thus, they magically leave for that new supply or go to the ends of the earth to make you miserable and smear your name around town. This is where they hold personal items hostage, where they won't sign divorce documents, where they magically show up places they know you'll be, where they reach out to your friends and your family and try to convince them that you're tripping, changing, being a version of yourself they don't even recognize anymore. And imagine that someone you can't recognize for years is saying you've changed. You want to know the craziest part? That it takes so long for us to accept who they really are. It takes so long to wrap our minds behind someone using the words I love you only to find out they truly fucking hate you. And when you start placing boundaries in your life, saying no, cleansing your circle of leeches and toxic motherfuckers, we recognize two very important things. One, you weren't giving yourself enough love, protection, credit, and enough respect for you to walk your ass away sooner when you originally saw those red flags. But most importantly, number two, sometimes we can give the very best of ourselves, go to every extent possible to communicate, compromise, be a willing and active participant in helping both you and your partner heal, and it still won't be good enough for the wrong fucking person. See, for too long you were upholding these values that only apply to you. For too long you sacrificed your time, your resources, and your sanity to try to appease someone who doesn't even love themselves. They can't even regulate their own emotions, and they have zero willingness to ever think of what you needed in the first damn place. So what do? Oh, we placate to their needs. We help make their life easier for them, shoulder all of this fucking responsibility just to see them crash out, be a train wreck with their addictions, spend money recklessly, even worse, try to smear your good ass name just to protect their fragile ass ego. That wasn't a show of strength or a coincidence on their behalf. Nah, that was weakness, wrapped up in insecurity and then deep fried in fucking shame for being such a pathetic excuse of a partner who was always miserable, always dysfunctional, and most importantly, irresponsible with your heart. And yes, they deserve every ounce of terrible that fucking comes their way after this. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.